Hello my people of the internet, what's going on here? My name is Hansel Peter and welcome back to I am Hansel YouTube channel. In case you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I release new videos here on the channel. I'm coming to you live and clear from one of the deepest, most remote village here in Africa. Basically, this is Majongani village. The village itself is found in the coastal part of Kenya, Africa. At the time of filming this video, it's actually 3 p.m. in the evening. We are almost approaching 4 p.m. So today, the day that I'm filming this video, it's actually on a Sunday. Today being on a Sunday, we woke up as usual and straight head to the church. And yeah, we had a good service. We had a powerful service. I enjoyed a lot. And yeah, from there we went straight. We actually went straight to look for the iron sheets. For those who have been watching my videos here, it's very clearly that there's something that we were constructing here in my homestead. It's the home for the chicken. So it's been hard to get the iron sheets ever since we started this project here at our home. So but by good luck today we were able to now get the iron sheets on the shop. So from the church, when the church service had come to an end, when it had just concluded, so we head up to straight to, this little puppy is so excited. Like, the thing is that it's actually full. The stomach here, it has actually eaten, and now it's very excited and it's very healthy. So we head straight to this shop that sells the iron sheets and the nails and everything, and then we were able to get the iron sheets. Yeah, so we bought 6 iron sheets. Let me try to do the calculation so that you may know the prices of the iron sheets here in our village. So we bought 6 iron sheets, each costing $12.50. Yes, $12.50 divided by 130. So 6 iron sheets went for around $58. That is 7,500 Kenyan shillings. And so let me try to calculate the price of one iron sheet divided by 130. So one iron sheet is around $10. But then the thing is, we have different kinds of iron sheets. You see, like this one is 8 feet long. 8 feet long, something like 1, 2, 3. This one is 8 feet long. So we have different kinds of iron sheets. We have like those that are 10 feet long, 8 feet long, 6 feet long, and so on and so forth. So this one is not 8 feet, but it's not 10 feet, but it's 8 feet. Yeah, so this one is 8 feet. It measures 8 feet from that point, from point A here to point B over there. So we bought this one, and one iron sheet goes for around $10, as I have just calculated on my mobile phone. Wow, big news, guys. We are almost coming to the end of building. So yeah, I know I wasn't able, so yesterday and the day before yesterday I was away. I was away. I was out of this village. So but the day that I got here was yesterday. What am I saying? Yesterday I came here and found that my dad had already continued on with building the house for the chickens. So this is how it has turned out to, and we are expecting that in a few days the hens will be enjoying themselves inside their own very house that they did not even contribute anything towards building it, but they will be living inside this. So this is how it looks like. That's one corner. The second corner is over there, and we have got the third corner, the fourth corner right here. So this is the house, and my dad is now putting up the roof using the iron sheets that we just purchased today. So this is how the house looks like.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Naongea na nani? Naongea na nani?
Yes. So this is how it has turned out. It's so nice. It looks so nice, and we haven't come to a conclusion. Look at the house, guys. So soon the chickens will be enjoying themselves over here.
Ulikuwa umejora.
So It's actually in the evening, and it's almost dark. And see the progress. So we are actually doing great, and I guess very soon the chickens will be enjoying their home. And right over here, my mom is busy preparing supper. David, what do you think about this house?
I think it's going to make work easier because, you know, it will be easy because the chickens are inside the house. No problem. The chicken is over down there in the farm or what, or something has ate one chicken. There is no stories like that.
Yes, so
Yes.
there will be no things to do with the chickens being attacked by, let's say, monitor lizard
Yes.
and other things. Maybe you take the camera and show up there since you are there.
Yes. This is the top of the house, guys. Yes.
It is powerful. Very powerful.
Has it been hard constructing, maybe putting the iron sheets on top?
Yes, it's laborious. Yeah, it's a huge task. It's a hard task. Yeah, because it's very sensitive. You can easily fall from the top. You can easily forget that you are up there. Yeah. Or sometimes you may, or even slide. You may slide your feet, thinking that you are stepping on a parallel line. Maybe you have not stepped well. Then you slip away, right from the top downwards. So it's strange, it's dangerous, it's hard, but because it is a necessity, you just have to do it. Because if you call somebody to do this work, it's a hell of money. It's a hell of money, and maybe he may not construct the way you want. He will just construct because you have given him the work to construct. So, even myself, I'm proud of this house because actually I'm poor in drawing. I cannot even draw you a picture of something to be constructed, but it comes right from my brain. You know, I just download it as I do it. Yes. Otherwise, if you ask me to draw a sketch map or a sketch diagram, I can just draw something else. Because I was poor in drawing at school. I was poor.
But when it comes to the real thing,
the real thing,
practical,
yes, is downloaded at the
application.
same time at work. Yes.
Yeah. We hope it will turn out to be great. Yes. So over here we already have the chickens. They are eagerly waiting, to enter the house because they normally sleep in the house. So that's why they are crowded over here, as you can see. And even the little ones, they are really crying inside here. They're really crying inside there. Yes, but very soon this will be their home. They will be living there, sleeping there, laying eggs from that point, and so on and so. Yeah. Actually, it's 6:34 in the evening. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to I Am Hansel YouTube channel, and guys, I'll see you in the next video. I saw a comment of someone, one of the viewer here, said that I should be actually translating. I mean, I should be teaching Swahili. I should end my video with saying a word in English and then translating it into Swahili. And I think, let me give a try. So the person asked for just one word in every video. Yeah, let me just give it a try. So let me say a house. A house in Swahili is nyumba. That being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.